To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to automatically restart at a scheduled time, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under performance section, tap auto optimization. Tap auto restart. And then tap the gray on off switch next to restart on schedule until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now you can set a schedule for when you want your phone to restart. Select the desired day. As the example, we will select Saturday. Next, set the time. To do so, tap time and then set the desired time. As the example, we will set it to 4 AM and then tap done button. By setting the schedule, now your phone will be restarted automatically at a scheduled time. In this case, in every Saturday at 4 AM. As a note, you have to remember that after your phone restart, you need to unlock it before you can receive notification and alarm from some apps and to see the name of incoming callers. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.